This video is a continuation of the first video that we had, which is about combination. For activity number 2, you are going to tell whether the given situations below are combination or not. Write comb if it is a combination and nation if it is not. So write your answers on your paper. Please refrain from simply copying on the answers on the answer key without even understanding each of the statement. Use your answer key as your guide why the answers are like that, but do not just simply copy and write it on your paper and submit it to us without even trying to understand each of the statements or each of the items in the activities. So, let us try to understand each one of this, which one is combination and which one is not. Forming triangles from 6 given points with no 3 of which are collinear. So, meaning to say, we have 6 points. So, imagine there are 6 points. 1, 2, 3, but with no 3 of which are collinear. So, sa anom nga points nga to, uwa bukon it lying on one line ang tatlo ka points. So, scattered gid imaw ag uwa nagalay or wa nagatungtong in one line ang tatlo ka points. So, for example, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have here 6 points. And we are going to form triangles out of these given points. And we know that a triangle has 3 vertices. So, we will be using 3 points. So, din kami mauna or diin banda nga points ang amon nga i-select. So, pag gusto, kamo. You could start here. Or kung hudimat abanda, pwede man. This one is another triangle. Pwede man ang hadi. Payan hudi. For as long as you can form triangles. Now, with this situation, do you think order is important? If it is no, then this statement is for combination. Next, 2-digit numbers can be formed from numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, we need to write 2-digit numbers out of these digits. We have 4 digits. Ag masulat kita itig 2-digit number. Can you give an example? We could have 24. So, medyo lisod imo hudi. Mas manami ganito ako may writing pad. Pwede man nga 42. 2-digit number man imaw dya. Pwede man nga 46, 64, 68, 86. Pwede man nga 48. Pwede man nga 28, and so on. So, with this situation or with this statement, do you think order is important? If it is no, then this is a combination. But if order is important, then this is not a combination. Kailangan baga nga mauna gid hudi si 2 bago si 4. Ag hadi si 4 hay mauna man bago si 2, magkaiba baga sanda nga number? Yes. Therefore, this one is an example of permutation, and this is not a combination. Okay, for number 3, in a game of tong-its, so house tanan siguro sa aton or ang iba, majority gid sa inyo, hay kausoy mag-tong-its or sayod kung ano ang tong-its. 12 cards are dealt from a pack of 52. So, sa baraha, may 52 cards, ag ang 12 cards hay bugon sa pack of 52 cards. So, do you think order is important or not? Sa pagbuo it baraha sa Sa out of 52 cards, mabuo kita 12. Do you think order is important? It is? No. Therefore, this one is for combination. Number 4, there are 3 horses in a race. If all we are concerned with are the first, second, and third place finishers. So for number 4, obviously, order is important. So sa karera, kailangan i-identify kung sino ang first place, ang second place, ag ang third place. Therefore, this is nation. This is not a combination, but rather a permutation. Number 5, 3 ladies posing for pictures. So, do you think order is important? Yes. Diba kung kita magpa-picture, gina-arrange natin kung amat kung sino ang taas, kung sino ang naba, kung sino ang sa tunga dapat, kung sino ang sa gilid dapat. So, this one is not a combination. So, the rest of the items is for you to understand and to try to differentiate which one is a combination and which one is not. Let us proceed with activity letter B. So, this one, you are going to illustrate all possible combinations by using tree diagram or listing method. So, I believe you can do this on your own. You can do the activity already on your own without guidance for letter B. And activity number 3. So, hadi per me ang medyo nakakaligtaan ninyo nga sabtan. I don't know if wa ninyo ginabasa or nalipatan lang. But this one is also important kasi imo ang akon nga ginachikan gid ang mga activities nga makita na kon or makita ang sabat sa answer key ginatan-aw ko man, but that is not graded. Pero ang mga manage ang activity imo ang ginataw-an akon points. Therefore, inyo man nga sabtan. So this is just a summary. Kamo mismo ang naga-sabat based on your understanding. So, hindi ninyo pag-skipan or hindi sabtan ang hading part. So, how would you determine if the situation involves combination? Ano nga mga keywords ang inyo nga dapat tandaan? How do you illustrate the combination of objects? So, anong mga pamamaraan para maipapakita natin ang combination or arrangement of objects through combination? And number 3, for you, what is the most convenient method to use? So, out of those ways of illustrating the combination of objects, what is the most convenient for you to be used? Ano yung pinakamadali? Ano yung less time-consuming na method na dapat gamitin? And the last part of your learning activity sheet is your reflection. So, what did you learn about the lesson? So, hindi man paglipatan nga answeran ang hading nga part. In this lesson, I learned that. So, it is already for you to supply the next words to have your reflection. So, this one is your answer key. And let us proceed to melt number 4, differentiating permutation from combination of n objects taken R at a time. So, in your background information, we have here a table. On the second column is the table for permutation, and on the third column is for combination. So, the concept, pag permutation, arrangements or order of elements is important. Pero pag combination, again, order is not important. Keywords na dapat tandaan for permutation, ordered ways, systematic siya dapat, unique, schedule, rank, positions in offices, and arrangement. However, for combination, select, choose, pick, combination, sample, and committee. For formula, we have here the permutation of n objects taken R at a time equals n factorial over